Hello, and welcome to another Farmers Business Network tutorial. I'm Alyssa Welker with Farmers Business Network, and today I want to show you how to use the John Deere integration for FBN members that have JDLink. The first thing that you'll want to do is log in to your FBN account. Once you have successfully logged in, navigate to the My Data tab in the top right-hand corner of your screen and click My Data. Now, look for the Integrations tab on the top left-hand corner of your screen next to My Files and choose Integrations. In order to add a new integration, click John Deere and then Connect with John Deere. If you are not currently signed in to your John Deere Operations Center, you will need to sign in now. After the data in your account has finished syncing with FBN, when you navigate back to your account, you will see the last time that FBN has synchronized with John Deere on this webpage. You will now be integrated with your John Deere Operations Center, and all files uploaded into JDLink will automatically upload to FBN for processing, cleaning, and analyzing. If you have questions about integrating JDLink with your FBN account, call 844-200-FARM.